Stop searching for the fountain of youth. In 2026, women aren't just living longer, they're rewriting what aging actually looks like. And the secrets, they're not in a pill bottle. They're in your daily rhythms. We've moved past calorie counting and 10,000 steps. New longevity science focuses on cellular resilience, how your mitochondria function, how your cells repair DNA, and critically, how your nervous system recovers from stress. For women specifically, this means understanding that our biological clocks aren't just about reproduction. They're about metabolic flexibility, hormonal harmony, and something researchers now call social fitness. First secret, circadian anchoring. Not just sleep, but timing. Eat within a 10 to 12 hour window. Get morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Protect the last hour before bed from blue light. This isn't biohacking, it's biology. Your cells repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., but only if you're actually asleep. Second, strength is the new cardio. After age 35, women lose muscle twice as fast as men. Muscle isn't aesthetic, it's your longevity organ. Regulates blood sugar, produces anti-inflammatory myokines, and protects your brain. It's resistant sessions a week, minimum. Third, micro-stress recovery. We've been taught to avoid stress, but the 2026 approach is different. It's about completing the stress cycle, shaking, deep sighing, connecting. Chronic stress isn't the trigger, staying in fight or flight that accelerates cellular aging. Fourth, build your social infrastructure. Loneliness ages you faster than smoking. Cultivate your personal blue zone. 5 people who make you laugh, challenge your thinking, and show up when cortisol spikes. Oxytocin is cellular medicine. Here's the revolutionary part. These aren't separate checkboxes. They compound. Morning light sets your metabolism. Muscle protects your mood. Community regulates your nervous system. It's an ecosystem, not a to-do list. You don't need to live forever. You need to stay strong, sharp, and connected for the years that actually matter. Start with one anchor tomorrow. Which one will it be? Drop it below and let's build this longevity ecosystem together. Subscribe for next week's deep dive into circadian nutrition and stay vital. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.